Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Saturday, about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. It is hot. It is well into the 90s, 97, 98. Humidity is somewhere around 60%. It is blazing hot. I'd much rather be in the swimming pool right now, but there are a handful of trees, five that I know of, right off the top of my head, 5 trees that need to come down before they fall on something. So they're all 5 dead trees. We marked them back in the spring, and we were waiting to see if any leaves came out on them. None of these trees have leaves on them, so they are fully dead. One of them is in the way of me clearing a big spot of briars and brush and stuff that I need to get in and get it cleared out. So today we're going to cut down a couple of trees, make some firewood. Not going to spend much time out here because, like I said, it is hot. So we're gonna get these trees cut down, probably buck them up, get some rounds on the trailer and in the bucket of the tractor, get them back up here to the firewood pile, and get in the pool this afternoon. So these 2 trees right here in the background, you can probably see that they're both dead. This one is an old hackberry tree. It's going to come down. No sense in keeping it. The other one is an old red oak that we're going to take it down. You can see all the barks peeling off of it, bugs, fungus, things like that. We're going to get as much firewood as we can out of that big red oak, but not going to be a whole lot to saving it. And there's another little tree over here that's going to come down as well. These 3 trees right here I would actually have only classified as 1 tree that needs to come down. So we're just going to take this little group of trees down, get as much firewood as we can out of it, and we'll just burn the rest of it in a brush pile. So I got quite a bit of firewood out of this. There's a lot of brush that I'm going to pile up over on this brush pile over here. But got a couple of the dead trees out of here. This is going to really help in clearing this out. There's a lot of dead underbrush, a lot of dead trees that have fallen and were never cleaned up, never cleared. So we're going to be able to get in there with the bucket on the tractor and just scoop it all up into a big pile and just have a big bonfire down here eventually. So I'm going to get that cleaned up. So I had to scoot up to the house for a little break. It's really hot out here. So hot, in fact, that I got an equipment indicator that it was too hot whenever my little GoPro here had a message on the back that said high heat, and this thing was absolutely burning up. I pulled the battery out of the camera and I put it in my pocket. The battery was on fire on this thing. So and it wasn't in direct sun. If you saw in the videos, it was mounted to my chest. So it was out of direct sun, but it was still really, really hot. Hot enough, in fact, that it overheated the camera. So we took a little break, let the equipment cool down. I've got all the brush and the little limbs cleaned up, put into a pile over here. All the stuff that I'm gonna clean up, the rest of it I'm just gonna scoop up into one big fire pile and have a bonfire with the tractor bucket. I'm gonna go ahead and big lizard. I'm gonna go ahead and pull around with the tractor and the trailer and pick up all these rounds, and we're gonna take the rounds back up to the house and stack them on the fire pile up there. But I'm gonna see if I can't get a shot of that little lizard. He's some sort of spiny lizard. He's made his home over here in these woods. Oh, you see him? I wish I had more of a telescopic lens on this camera. He's sitting over there on that log. I don't know if you can see him, but he's right there. And I'm betting he won't let me get any closer. Oh, he just jumped. Hey, little buddy.